In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a channel on Discord. First, open Discord and head to the server where the channel lives. Find the channel you want to lock in the left sidebar, hover over it and click the small gear icon to open the channel settings. This is where all the controls you need are located. Inside the channel settings, go to the Permissions tab. This is the hub for controlling who can see or interact with the channel. To access everything you need in one place, switch to Advanced Permissions. This view lays out permissions by category, making it easier to lock things down cleanly. Start with General Channel Permissions. If your goal is to hide the channel from regular members, set View Channel for the @everyone role to the red X. That removes visibility entirely for that role, effectively locking the channel from anyone who doesn't have a more specific role allowing access. If you're managing multiple roles, remember that a role with explicit allow can override the @everyone deny, so make sure only trusted roles have view access. While you're still in General Channel Permissions, review options like Manage Channel, Manage Permissions, and Manage Webhooks. Keep these off for @everyone. Those are powerful controls and should be reserved for admins or moderators only. Next, look at Membership Permissions and then Text Channel Permissions. If you prefer the channel to be visible but read only, you can leave View Channel allowed and instead remove interaction permissions here. Turn off Send Messages in Threads, create public threads and create private threads for everyone to stop new conversation branches. Also disable Manage Messages for @everyone so members can't delete or pin content. This combination stops posting and organizing content without hiding the channel. A quick note on approach, setting View Channel to the red X is the strictest lock, hiding the channel altogether. Disabling message and thread permissions while leaving View Channel allowed gives you a visible but quiet read-only channel. Choose the method that best matches your moderation plan. Discord saves permission changes automatically, so once you finish reviewing each section, you can close the settings. If you're using roles, double-check that moderators or specific teams still have the access they need by granting permissions to those roles in the same Permissions tab. That's it. You've locked your channel either by hiding it or by making it read-only, and you've tightened advanced permissions so only the right people can manage it.